grown into one of the reputable programs on the West Coast. We pride ourselves in offering the most practical and effective curriculum available. We are approved by the National Automotive Training Education Foundation, NATEF, which is an affiliate of Automotive Service Excellence, ASE, and also approved by the Inter-Industry Conference on Auto Collision Repair, ICAR. In order to maintain certification, our equipment, work areas, safety standards, and instructor qualifications must meet tough criteria. The training and hands-on experience that our students receive allow them to reach the levels of competence outlined in the NATEF guidelines and to succeed in our industry. Our body shop covers approximately 17,000 square feet, has 3 frame benches, a computerized measuring system, and 3 paint spraying areas. Our classes are designed to get students involved in projects that help them understand the most current practices in the industry. Our program features industry partnerships that allow us to keep our training current and relevant to today's repair standards. Our classes range in size from 10 to 20 students, providing the one-on-one attention students need. We employ 4 full-time instructors and 1 instructional support technician in our program. There are 3 instructors in collision repair, with student entry points in the fall, winter, spring terms, and 1 instructor in auto body painting with the entry point in fall term. All of our courses are outcome-based and use an interactive lecture lab format. We emphasize teamwork, professional work habits, and ethics. 6 courses make up the 2-year certificate in auto collision repair technology. Auto Body Basic Skills introduces the students to oxygen acetylene welding, use of hand tools, equipment and procedures in replacing and aligning auto body components, and sheet metal. There is a heavy emphasis in the training and use of MIG welders for auto body repair in this course. It also discusses damage, analysis, and how dents are reshaped to original contours and develop skills in repair of auto body metals. Frame analysis and repair covers structural misalignment analysis, use of measuring systems, structural repair procedures, and wheel alignment. This course develops knowledge and skills in the care and use of frame repair equipment, identification of frame misalignment, use of frame gauges, frame repair procedures, and suspension component replacement and alignment. Panel repair develops skills in repair using practice panels, school-owned vehicles, and customer cars. Safe use of grinders, sanders, assorted hand tools, and pulling equipment will be applied and practiced. Paint fundamentals, preparation, and application are introduced. Knowledge and skills will be developed using carefully planned panel repair projects. Projects must be completed to industry standards. Panel replacement covers replacing new and used weld-on panels, such as rocker panels, quarter panels, and rear body panels. It includes preparation and installation of cosmetic and structural weld-on panels. Course outcomes include structural part design, 3 types of sectioning joints, MIG welding, resistance spot welding, and corrosion protection. Technical skills and collision repair develops knowledge and skills required for the complete repair of a collision-damaged vehicle by understanding and testing the safety and comfort features found on current vehicles. Students will review and practice all previously learned skills. Course outcomes include airbag systems, anti-lock brakes, auto electronics, aluminum welding, sheet molded compounds, plastic repair, air conditioning, and estimating. Cooperative education focuses on the ability of students to demonstrate their knowledge of auto body repair while obtaining hands-on experience in a licensed auto collision repair shop. The students are required to work 300 hours and write a minimum of 8 weekly journal summaries while meeting the learning objectives. Students receive feedback from the instructor and the employer evaluation. The cooperative work experience often continues to full-time employment. There are 3 courses that make up the Auto Body Painting Certificate. Auto Painting 1 develops knowledge and skills in care and use of all painting equipment, shop safety, conservation of materials, surface preparation for application of primers and paint, application techniques, color matching, and basic taping techniques. Auto Painting 2 introduces safe use of single-stage urethane, advanced masking techniques, small dent repair, and detailing. Previously learned painting skills will be reviewed and practiced on customer and school-owned cars. Auto Painting 3 introduces safe use of pearl, tri-coat urethane, base coat clear coat systems, and waterborne paints. It emphasizes spot repair, color matching, blending, and plastic part refinishing. covers surface preparation and proper masking techniques for these products. Learn the right way, right away. At PCC, our auto collision repair technology program provides the student with the skills and knowledge to become a skilled auto body repair technician or painter. Our program offers the quality instruction and guidance needed to succeed. PCC's instructors bring real-world auto collision repair experience and knowledge into our classroom and body shop. For complete information about the program, please visit our website at www.pcc.edu/AB.
Do you want to go ahead?
Muted.
There you go, Larissa. Do you want to go ahead and take it away?
Sorry, I always start with the mute. So I just wanted to add that both of our program curriculum is approved by the Inter-Industry Conference on Auto Collision Repair. And our students can earn ICAR certification required by a lot of local employers. So if you're interested in any of those programs or both of them, there are certain things that you can do right now to better prepare yourself. However, you're not required to have any educational background or experience to join our program. But what you can do now is to take some career technical classes in middle school or high school if they are offered. You can focus on math, English, and science classes. You can attend our open house and car show event in spring term. Read information about our programs on pcc.edu website and attend one of the information sessions that we offer on a regular basis. If you decide to pursue any of those programs, you will need to become a PCC student, and this slide outlines steps that you need to do for that. Well, first of all, you will fill out PCC application online through pcc.edu/enroll link. Then you will be asked to complete new student orientation, and this orientation is also offered online. I will highly encourage you the last year of your high school to apply for financial aid through FAFSA website and apply for as many scholarships as possible. You also will be asked to set up your My PCC account, which is a portal where you can access your classes, register for classes. This is where you will create your academic plan. You can check your PCC email there. You can pay for your classes through this portal. So it's very important that you have access to it. After you create this account, My PCC account, you will be also able to enter your high school grades. In this way, you will get a placement with PCC in reading, math, and writing. After you complete the first 5 steps outlined here, it's a good time to schedule an appointment with me to create your academic class and register academic plan and register for classes. And you can schedule an appointment with me online as well. If you go to pcc.edu website, click on programs and select auto collision repair, and then click on contact information. And that's where you will find the link to schedule an appointment with me. If you're interested in any of those 2 programs, you will be starting with either Auto Body Basic Skills, AB 100 class, and you can start it in fall, winter, or spring term, or you can start Auto Painting program with Auto Painting 1, AB 116 class only in fall term. Both of those classes offered in the afternoon from 1 p.m. until 6 p.m., but the following auto body classes will be offered in the morning from 7 a.m. until 12:30. I know that we're running out of time. Just wanted to say thank you for being here with us, and we hope to see you on our campuses.
All right, so that's a little bit about our auto collision repair and auto paint, which is out at our Rock Creek campus. That one is located in sort of near Hillsboro, Beaverton, and Northwest Portland, out off of 185th and Springville Road. Our auto service program is actually at a completely different campus. It's at our Sylvania campus, which is located in Southwest Portland. It's closer to Portland, Tigard, and Lake Oswego, so in sort of that area. And what we offer through that program is either a 2-year certificate in automotive service repair or an Associate of Applied Science. They're really similar to each other. One just requires more general education classes. So things like your writing class, your math class, and stuff from categories like history or speech communication or the sciences. In terms of what kinds of classes are really good for students to take while they're still in middle school and high school, like Larissa said, if you have an opportunity to take some classes that would allow you to get some experience using tools, it doesn't even matter what kinds of classes those are great because it helps you be more comfortable when you're in the shop setting, but it's absolutely not required. We'll start with students who've never touched a tool before. More importantly is also to take those classes that you need so that you can do good communication, that you have good math skills coming into some of these programs so that you don't have to do prerequisites before you come into the program. And those are always going to be the classes that are sometimes required before you can get started with what you want. Miguel, certainly take a screenshot of the slide, but I'll try to make these slides available to someone too, so that you can also get the live links. I also want to show you a quick video so you can get an idea of what our automotive shop is like and what our program is like. So let me get that going for you here.
The long-standing relationship with our industry partners so that students can get internship, apprenticeship, and hands-on learning is what really sets us apart.
It makes us more relevant. We are really trying to be the program that our industry needs.
Our program maintains very close connections with industry, which helps them to address the innovations and growth and development in the field.
We work with our administration. We let them know what's going on. We make sure that we're out there involved in the community. Make sure we build those connections.
PCC is very great about participating in industry-related events. They host quarterly portfolio reviews where industry comes in to interview students that are graduating from the program, to give them experience interviewing as well as to help place them in positions. And in many cases, these students are getting hired through this, so it's actually a good job placement program that they're participating in as well.
One of the ways that we address innovation in the industry is to make sure students have a lot of hands-on practice. One of the best things that we have is really the car is part of the classroom in our program.
In every class and every step of the way, we get to work on vehicles in various different aspects, from working on brakes to steering and suspension to HVAC and working on AC units.
It runs a lot like a real shop.
We've got school vehicles, about 60 of them that the students work on. As they go along through the program, they will start working on customer vehicles.
They get real-world experience fixing actual cars, and all of that activity is the exact same thing they'll do when they become that working technician on their first job.
It feels really great to be able to work on these projects and know that I can do them. It's very empowering to start from having a basic knowledge about vehicles to like really having in-depth knowledge and just the skill set to do it and the support system with my instructors to be able to push forward.
The industry is changing day by day, and so we want to make sure that we're preparing students now with skills that are transferable, even if there are new technologies and new fuels as they enter the job market.
We can give you those base essentials that will make it to where no matter what the technology is, you will know at the core how that system works. You're going to be confident in facing those new technologies.
Our automotive program has been very successful in funding through the school because of the completion rate and how successful our students are.
We've committed to this program by being creative with the way that we leverage our resources to provide equipment that will be current for students.
We're supported both by the industry and our school and other organizations that we're a part of.
I firmly believe that what makes this program special is our faculty, our instructional support staff, and our students. They are an incredible group of people who create a culture of community, learning, fun.
The staff is what really makes the difference. These instructors really care about their students. They really care about the industry. They all continue to re-educate themselves and stay on top of the information.
All of our instructors in our program are always trying to make the program better and more interesting and more relevant for our students. We love being here and we love teaching. Our purpose is to be here to help our students. And so everything we do revolves around that. And we just become kind of a big family, and just that's what makes us so special.
Every instructor here has taken extra time out of their day, out of after school, to instruct me, take extra time to show me how to do things.
I think that is something that sets this program apart, is that extra effort that gets put in by every person in this staff. We want to make sure that industry has who they need to fill their job roles, and we want to make sure our students, more than anything else, have everything, all the tools they can have to be successful in industry. Our industry needs new technicians, and so if a student wants to have a job in some capacity, it doesn't matter what, if they want it, they can get it.
That gives you an idea of what our program is about at the Sylvania campus. It is a cohort-driven program, so we take students in each fall, winter, and spring. We take up to 20 students. So we don't have a ton of space, and we do oftentimes have a wait list for students who are trying to get in. But that wait list can be gone through fairly quickly. So my biggest advice for students is if you're interested in joining our program, I think that what you would want to do is probably attend one of the required information sessions. Those are virtual, probably in like the March of your senior year of high school, and then get started with the process of becoming a PCC student so you can submit a program application. If you're interested in joining in a term after the fall term, like winter or spring, then you want to join about one term in advance. And I know we're taking this right up to the end, but yes. Have any questions?
Well, thank you, Stedman and Larissa, for your time and joining us today. I know you guys are all volunteered and we really appreciate it. And I'm hoping that the student will touch base with you guys in the near future.
All right, thanks.
Thank you. Okay, we're gonna have
Thank you.
We're gonna have to close this session and open up the new session, which is dental assistance. So we're gonna have to close the Zoom now. Thank you.